Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to set up and review EufyCam C37. The camera offers 2K night vision, AI assisted tracking, comes with a solar panel, and there are no subscription fees. It offers 360 degrees pan, tilt and zoom functions. How does that look? My cat will be watching everyone in my front yard. Stay with me. This is the security camera. It comes with instructions on how to install and set up. This is the mounting bracket. You use these two screws to install it on the wall, or if you want to install it on the eaves, you will use these two screws and the camera will just slide in like this. The camera has 360 degrees pan, rotates 360 degrees like this and tilts up to 90 degrees. And it offers AI assisted tracking, so there are no blind spots. The camera has 2K color night vision, which is roughly 77% more than 180 HD camera, and has IP67 weatherproofing, so it is good for outdoor installations. The camera can easily identify people, vehicles, and pets with smart AI detection. There is built-in spotlight, which illuminates faces even in total darkness. One of the attractive features is that you can store all the data locally. There are no subscription fees. This is the slot for SD card. You can insert up to 256 gigabytes micro SD card. You can also connect this camera to Eufy Homebase. Additionally, you can opt for cloud services, in which case you have to pay monthly or annual subscription fees. I have a 256 GB card with me. I'll insert it here for my use. And close this. The box also contains blank stickers. You can write something, peel it off and stick them here. Or there are some pre-printed stickers, different types of cat shapes here. Peel that off and you can attach any of these stickers on this panel. It looks nice, little fun. How does that look? My cat will be watching everyone in my front yard. Nice. On the front here, you will see a little speaker. The camera offers two-way audio as well. It records voices and transmits your voice. The camera is normally operated with Eufy App on your phone or any other smart device. It is also compatible with Amazon Alexa. This is a 3-watt solar panel and is good enough to charge the 6700 mAh battery inside the camera. Comes with a 2-meter cable for charging the battery. When the weather is not favorable, you don't get enough sunlight, you can also charge the camera using this USB-A to USB-C cable, and here is that slot. The solar panel also has a USB-C connector for charging the camera, which goes in here, like that. This is the mounting bracket for the solar panel. Tighten the screw here, and you can rotate it anyways wherever you get the maximum sun. Just use your thumbs to tighten it. You don't need any tools. There are sufficient screws and plastic anchors for mounting the camera as well as the solar panel. Next, I will set up this camera on my smartphone with Eufy app. Once it is done, I will install it outdoors and show you some recordings. This is the small button from where you turn on the camera. Gives a little beep, and this blinking blue light shows that it is on. On your phone, you need to download the Eufy app, set up an account, and then launch the app to add device. Click Add Device. Security is already selected here. Go down and find out the camera. Select battery camera.
Failed to connect to the network. Please try again.
We need to find out EufyCam C37. Astro cassettes home, that's fine. Eufy would like to access the camera. Allow. Point camera view towards the QR code located on the bottom of device. Scan. Charge battery. I have already done that. Next. Recommended connection. If you have a home base, fine, I don't have that. Next. Connect to router. Yes. Request permission. Please allow the app to use location permissions to obtain Wi-Fi connection. Confirm. Allow when using the app. Connection, I will enter my password here. Enter your router password. Press the sync button for about 3 seconds until you hear a beep. So the sync button is on the back side, right here. Press this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I hear a beep. Next, we will generate a QR code. For the Wi-Fi connection, please use your device to scan the code on your phone.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
QR code scanning is successful. It's taking a little time.
Setup was successful.
The camera is going through a self-test now, rotating itself and scanning. Camera added successfully. Latest firmware is available, so update it. Great. Here it is showing me the current view. The current location is good to mount the camera. Formatted micro SD card detected. So my micro SD card is already formatted. If you have bought a new micro SD card, the app will format that card. Next. It is showing you everything that you need to do to install the camera. Next. Best location recommended, the height should be between 2.2 meter and 2.5 meters. 7.2 to 8.2 feet. Strong Wi-Fi signal. Giving you all the instructions for wall mounting and top mounting. How to attach the bracket and how to attach the camera to the bracket. Remove the protective film. I've already done that. Next. Congratulations, your camera was successfully mounted. Recommended rooms wherever you want. I'll install it on front door. Submit. Name the device front door. That's fine. Optimal battery life. Video clip length is up to 20 seconds. Optimal surveillance. I'll select that. Video clip length can be up to 60 seconds and you can customize it. Next. Most efficiency. Text first, then thumbnail or include thumbnail. I'll go with that. Next. Microphone is on. Audio recording on. Next. AI tracking. Yes, on. Preset. You can have up to 4 preset positions. It's showing upside down because the camera is actually installed upside down. And you can rotate the preset position from these buttons. You can always change these settings later. Second preset position. That should be enough. Done. Here we have some menu selections, events, no event this day on today's date, some services, AI learning, cloud backup. I don't need that. Smart device control, front door. You can now have all the settings here. If you have more than one Eufy security device, you can set up a group here. Shopping from Eufy if you want anything else from Eufy. Installation of the solar panel was fairly easy. I just wanted to make sure that it is facing the sun for most of the day. Unfortunately, the length of the charging cable fell short, so I used a USB-C coupler and extra cable. Attached the camera to the bracket and secured the cable in the eaves. And that was all about it. All good and done. This is a daytime live view. There are some function icons at the left bottom corner. Record button to record the live streaming and save it to your phone album. You can turn the speaker on or off if your alarm is set to sound. Take a snapshot and it will be saved to your phone album. The pan and tilt icon activates the circular controls. Use the left and right or up or down buttons to change the view. The camera just detected human movement and sent me a notification. Here are some zoom and pan tilt actions from the live streaming, getting a clear view of my front yard from all angles. From the alarm icon, I can select the manual alarm to be sound, light, or sound and light both. More or less similar functions in portrait view: record, sound on off, talk, night vision, infrared or spotlight, and pan and tilt. And you can have a live view from the 4 preset angles. Change the video streaming quality or change the type of 30-second alarm. Use the settings icon to change the settings of this camera. Here are some more footage clips. Shows the performance in 2K as well as in medium video quality. The camera detected my little dog and tracked him when he was moving, detecting vehicles on the road and rotating to track them. Flashlight upon detecting a human on the front door. This was recorded early morning. A view in infrared light at night time, and then a flashlight. When a preset zone is enabled, tracking is disabled. This is how the flashlight actually looks like. This camera has so many functions that it is difficult to cover everything in a 10-minute video. Like any other smart device, this also comes with its own limitations. I've been using this camera for over a week now, and there are certain issues that I have been facing, but I will cover them in a separate video. However, given the price of this camera, one cannot and one should not expect too much. Overall, I am satisfied with the performance of this camera. It is working as expected. And if you are looking for a budget security camera, this one is for you. I have given the links in the description so you can easily find it on Amazon. That's all for today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, please take care.